Hi guys, Stan here for Blast Guru. Let's start with a given. We're all in this business to make money, and we make our money by producing products better than our competition. The very best products we can produce with the equipment and the expertise that we have at hand. But what if our equipment's not working to its potential? What if our expertise is lacking some small piece of information that would take the process to a whole new level? You see, we're really good at picking up our tools and fixing the things that are broken and tweaking the things that need adjustment, acquiring parts to make things better. But how do we educate ourselves on the thing that we don't yet know? And how do we improve our process to consistently produce better finished products? In this business of abrasive blasting, our equipment is intricate, much less having a working knowledge of kinetic cleaning energy, particle physics, and production rates, calculated airflows, optimum angles of approach, material progression rates. It's complicated. And yet every single one of those variables takes careful consideration because, quite honestly, it affects the quality of the product headed out the door. But let's be practical though. We can't have people on staff in every one of those areas of expertise. We can bring in experts a couple of times a year to advise us on what to tweak, replace, or add. But that's expensive and only gives us a snapshot of that particular day. It does very little to help 3 weeks later when everything goes south. What we need is a tool that's going to allow us to frequently and consistently monitor our machines and processes, provide recommendations on the things that we need to tweak, replace, or add. At Blast Guru, we've created just such a tool. Lord Stan, please tell me that I'm not going to spend hours, if not days, reading a manual on how to use your tool. You've already said that kinetic cleaning energy, particle physics, etc. is just some of the vital information that we're going to need to understand to make a difference in the effectiveness of our machines and our processes. And I'm not sure that I'm up for reading up on all that. No, man. In this day and age, we expect powerful tools that can actually make a difference to also be easy to use, engaging, and visual. We've taken all of that complicated math and all of that complicated science and put it into a wizard form. And we all love wizards. Wizards allow us to progress from screen to screen, making inputs, making selections, until we arrive at the end and voila, reports. Information that allows us to understand where we currently are and what we need to do to progress toward that goal of being more effective and cost efficient. And here's another exciting thing. We've created videos just like this one. Videos that are going to walk you step by step through that wizard, through that progression of screens, giving you insight into the values that we're looking for and where to find them. We've also created a tips and tricks area. In that, you're going to get information not only on using our apps, but general information about machine settings, machine maintenance, abrasive considerations, and workflow best practices. To wrap this up, we have a saying around here that you cannot manage what you do not measure. The Blast Guru app is going to allow you to measure exactly where you are and how you're performing. This is going to create a baseline that's going to allow you to gauge just how far you've progressed in becoming more effective and more cost efficient. Information, reports basically, can be shared up and down the workflow chart, ensuring that everybody is informed and headed for a common goal. Take a look at the videos, the tutorial videos below. Pick out a subject that you want to know more about, and let's get started.